Hello, everybody. This is Wendy with Wendy's Paper Junk, and I have a flip through of my Dragonfly journal. Well, my second Dragonfly journal. If you guys watched the previous video, you've seen I did this one. And then I decided to do a second one because I printed out a second. When I printed out the first digital, I made 2 copies. So I wanted to go ahead and do a second one, kind of in a different style. I did a single signature. Okay, I used a used priority postal envelope, you know, the Tyvek ones, and I just had a blast with this one, I must say. So I think they kind of similar. So I think they're going to be offered as a duo, I'm thinking. So let's get to it. Here is, okay, so I used a digital called Dragonfly Dreams by StacyStories, and I'll put the links down below so you can check out all of her digitals. She's got some fun ones. Here is my cover. There's some sateen, and I did some crazy stitching all over different stitches, decorative stitches. So here is the front cover. And then I turn around. Here is the back. Kind of more simple, but it just has some textures, and I sewed all around it. Okay. So, I was getting a little crazy with it. I will have a tie to put around it, just so you know, so you guys all have a tie for it. But let's open this bad boy up, because I have to say I had fun with this one. I really did. I don't know. I think I just have more fun with a single signature book. I just, to me, it's just, anyway, enough jabbering. Okay, so here is the book. This book belongs to Paige. Just a simple little pocket. I have a little glassy, you know, handmade bag with a couple things in it. And you'll notice most of these are painted papers, and you're fun to write on. I've done lots of collaging in here. Here is another pocket, and these were actually sent to me by a subscriber. And these, I think, Donna sent me these. These are great textured natural nature paper. So, and I'll just kind of, you know, blurt my own horn on my stuff. So here's just a little spread. Lots of journaling spots, lots of places to do a glue book on, lots of stuff to, you know, make it your own. So like here, I just put a couple little rub-ons here. So you have areas to either really journal or just, you know, do your glue booking or whatever you want to do. Art, there's a little, I have a little. Here I have an acorn. I don't know why. There's leaves. You can cut these. You can do whatever. Here is a fun little pocket here. Just a little side pocket. And it has a clear. I love these pictures. They're like clear. They're like see-through. So there's there. And then I have this fun. That's a paper doily, and you open it up. And I did these fun different type of pocket there where it's a slide. So, and you just slide it, and I think I'm going to use that a little bit more on some other pages, but that just closes like that. So have some stamping. This stuff here is actually painter's tape. I did a video a while back about turning your painter's tape into like washi tape, and one of my pen pals, Jane, did it and sent me some of hers that she did. I have to say, they turned out fabulous. In fact, I'm gonna have to make some more, because for one thing, you get this, you know, whatever size painter's tape you get, and it's sticky enough, just like washi, you pull it off and on, but of course you use glue to make it permanent, and they just add a little something. I don't know. They're great. I love it. But okay, so here is, I did a double pocket here. And it has little note cards, and I just put this one in the same, it's just black. So there's that. Here's another collage spread, and there's a little snippet and just some the colors. I love the colors. Some of them are muted, and then you get a pop, and I don't know, I just had such fun with this. Here's a fun little pocket, and then here's this. I left this page alone because there's a lot of open space here that you can write or glue on. And then it was a full page pocket. I made this, so I had this, which is like the songbird, and then there is a tag in here, and basically it's just music sheets, like a scrapbook, or you can tear it out and use it in whatever you're crafting. So there's that, and I just put it in there. Vintage botanical pages, and then here's just a pocket with some note tags and some embossed paper. I got tags, I got stitches, I got just a fun spread, and the tiniest little pocket here with a little tag and a ticket. I just like, okay, so that sticks in the little ticket pocket. And then I have this tag here, journal card. I just hung that on. I got some painted pages. The textures are also different, you know, so you know, do what you will. And then there's a little butterfly, and then you have this front. This is the center of the journal, so you have this fun little note tag, and then you have your little journal spread here. And then as you continue on, you got your painted pages. You got some lovely little tags. And then you see this here. Okay, so you can pull this out. You have a blank journaling card on the back. But if you see here, I did a see-through pocket. So it comes in and out. So you see the dragonfly coming in and out. I just like that. And I have some plastic there, and then I have just random stuff. Got the butterfly or a moth or whatever you want to call it, and here's the big massive dragonfly. I love this look. Love this look. Anyway, you guys can tell how much I've just enjoyed this. I've just enjoyed this. I don't know. And it's just, and it's not, I don't want to say it's simple. I think I just, you know, it pleased my crafty artistic thing. Here's another little tear bag. Oh, and in here, I just put some pattern, you know, just plain, you know, note cards, you know, that I thought kind of goes. Some crossword puzzles. Here's some more of that painter's tape, and then you have this little pocket here, and then on this side you have this pocket that has a movable pocket. Okay, and then I put some more note cards back here, so you can make tags or whatever you want out of it. And then flowers. I think that's a pumpkin. And then, oh, you have this, I'm calling it a bookmark. And then you flip it open and you have this fun little spread here. I didn't cover the whole thing because I want to have spaces for whoever to, you know, to do their own. I put in like this. I put blank tags here. They're just on a ball pen, and they got little eyelets in them. So those are ready to go. And let's see here. Here is just another tag with graph on it. It's got some green in it too. So that goes right there. And then there's some more dragonflies. And that says fall quilts. And then here is another spread with just some random little journal spots. And then you flip it over, and then you have this little fun guest check thing. And then I did another one of these, and then you open it up, and then these slide out. So you have a fun vintage playing card and some other goodies in there. So that just goes just like that. And you put that. And let's see. Then you have some more paper, and you got some more goodies here and here and here. Oops. I want this in front. Okay. And then you have another little spread here. And you flip it over, and then a couple more note cards in my pocket. And then you have this big pocket back here that has 2 full-size coloring sheets in it. But you can see how the green on the envelope just kind of pops everything. And that is it. And it's kind of a soft cover, but it's kind of a hard cover too. Think of like a notebook composition. You know, it's soft and pliable, but it still has some firmness to it. So it is, I don't know how many pages, but I can tell you it is, let's see here, about 6 3/4 by 10.5. So that is my flip through. And like I said, I will probably do it as a duo on my Etsy shop, I think. Duo time. I don't know. Maybe so. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, that is my duo Dragonfly journals. I had a blast with these. And like, subscribe, share. Tell me your thoughts down below, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.